Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video we will learn an important tool that are used in AutoCAD, which is the trim, and it is available in the home tab in the modify category of tools. So the trim command is basically used to cut a line, a continuous line where it is intersecting some another line. So you will learn this trim command or tool with the help of an example. So we will draw a rectangle so that we can uh, so this is a rectangle, and this is another rectangle, and this is another rectangle. Now we want to delete this line, only this line from here to here. So if we select and delete, so all the rectangle will delete, but we are not interested to delete all the rectangle. We are only interested to delete the segment of the line from here to here. So for this we will use a special command which is called the trim command. So first we will select on the trim. Now in the command line, so we will use the cutting edge, so we will click enter. Now you can select the line to trim, means to delete. So only those that line were deleted. Now we want to delete only this line, so we will trim this. Now since the trim command is now active and we want to trim only this line, so we'll delete it. We want to trim this. So this is the power of the trim command, that you can delete your desired line segment between the intersecting of lines. So this was the trim command, and in the trim command there is associated another command with this, which is the extend. So through extend you can extend your desired line to the point you are interested. So here if we want to, so the extend command will be understood clearly with the help of example. So we draw this rectangle and then we exclude them and we delete these two lines, and then we draw a line from here to here, and so we can draw a line here. So we will click on the line command and then we use from here, and will then enter and will then activate the line command, and then we'll click on this. We'll start from this end until here, and then we'll click. So now we can use the extend command now. So we want to extend this line from here to here, or we want to extend this line from here to here. So we will click on the extend and we'll simply click on this line, and so it will extend. So you will first select this and then we'll click on the extend command, and then we'll click on this line, so it will be extended. Since the we will select and then we'll click on the extend, and then we'll simply click here. So now we'll click on the extend and then simply click on this line, so it is inactive. First we will activate and then we'll click. So we'll simply click on the line, so it will extend from here to here. So you will simply click and then enter for this line, so we will click and then enter. So this is the uh, extend command through which you can extend your line from one point to another. So this was all about the trim and extend command in AutoCAD commonly used. So if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.